Hi, my name is Cary Silberman, and I'm an adjunct professor of law at Silicon Valley University Law School here in San Jose, California. So the next topic is a pretty interesting topic, and today we're going to talk about how to remove property from your living trust. Now, let me back up a little bit, because in order to add property into the trust, you normally have to do what we call a quitclaim deed, which means if you want to put your house into your trust, you have to go down to the county recorder's office and execute a quitclaim deed, which is sort of a false transfer because you're basically transferring the property from you to you, or from you into your living trust. If you don't do the quitclaim deed, then that means your trust will not be properly funded and it will be worthless. It's kind of like having a car without gas or an engine in it. A trust that's not properly funded has no wheels or no engine, for that analogy to work. What you also might consider doing is, if you have a life insurance policy, to put the owner of the life insurance policy as the living trust after you've created it. Now, assuming that the trust was properly funded, the way to remove property is to simply sell it. So if you sell your house at the time of escrow closing, you're probably going to have to do another deed and transfer that from the living trust into the name of the new buyer. And with your life insurance policy, the same way, you're just going to contact the life insurance company and say, look, I don't want my living trust to own the policy anymore, and they'll send you the appropriate form, and it's real easy. You just sign the form and send it back to the insurance company. Same thing with bank accounts. They're usually forms that you can get from the institution where you set up the trust in the first place. You could also hire a lawyer to do this, but it's usually not necessary. So that's how you take property out of a living trust. The easiest way is just to sell it, or to simply contact the institution that you had fund the trust in the first place and say, hey, send me that form so I can take that property out of the trust. My name is Cary Silberman. I'm an adjunct professor of law at Silicon Valley University Law School.